Hi, welcome to my new ISO builder here. I have a person on Telegram and he's on ArcoLinux, and the keys are today an issue. The key servers are not from us, of course, BGP and Ubuntu.com, and there's so many. For some, it has no issues. If it gives no issues, or we get sporadically a key in, but for many of the keys, it's just not possible to get them in. Not the same for the ArcoLinux keys. Now, if you're on Arch, you need to get them externally. If you're on ArcoLinux, everything is fixed, everything is there, the keys are there. So, this is a message for the ArcoLinux people. What if you want to have the keys of ArcoLinux, GitHub ArcoLinux repo, something like that. ArcoLinux repo. And you just download the package and you install it. That's it. As simple as that. But you need to know the knowledge. You need to have the knowledge. ArcoLinux keyring, I've passed it. Key. Here it is. tar ZST. Click it. Download it. Got it. Go in a folder. And then you just install sudo pacman -u ArcoLinux keyring. That's it. And all the keys are in. All right. Cheers.